This is a Phillips Zero screwdriver. Lid open from this end of the laptop. There's your RAM. Make sure to get rid of any static electricity on yourself by touching a metal object. Hold these two tabs and gently separate them. That's the first RAM module. Take that out. And the second one's just beneath it. That's your hard drive, and this is your battery. That's the CD-ROM, by the way. So take out the new RAM you just bought. Make sure not to touch the golden pins, and then insert the first RAM module. Push it gently till you hear a snap. Then you can insert the second one. That's it. Put the plate back on. And screw the screws you just opened.